With foldable designs, wireless charging, and high-resolution displays, the allure of owning the latest Android phone is undeniable. However, it's important to realize that you don't need the newest model to play games, make video calls, or download the best apps. Budget-friendly options are available for a fraction of the price. You can find an excellent mid-range Android phone that offers similar performance, long-lasting battery life, and software support to premium models for as little as $200. Our guide can help you sort through all the best cheap Android phones that offer a flagship-level experience. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A03s. The Samsung Galaxy A03s provides a mix of mid-range and low-end features, resulting in a device that perfectly fits in the category of best budget. It delivers decent enough performance, good software, and excellent support from Samsung, making it the best Android device if you need to save money. It features a 6.5-inch 720p LCD display, a MediaTek Helio G35 processor, and 3 GB of RAM, enough to watch videos and play less intensive games. The device also offers a fingerprint sensor in the power button and a 13MP camera that we would describe as fine. Pros. Very affordable. Excellent software support. Fantastic battery life. Cons. Camera quality is so-so. Number 2. OnePlus Nord N35G. The OnePlus Nord N35G is a new addition to the market and a device that offers high-end specs in an affordable package. The device features a 6.7-inch 1080p LCD display, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. You also get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chip and a beefy 5000 mAh battery that supports 50 watts wired charging, making it possible to replenish an empty battery in less than an hour. We like the OnePlus Nord N30 for gaming because of its larger size and powerful performance. Games will also look great on the large display, which features a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Other specs include a 108MP camera, dual stereo speakers, and a game focus mode to optimize the device for improved gaming performance. Pros. 120 Hz display. Excellent performance. 50 watts wired charging. Cons. No IP rating. Number 3. Google Pixel 7a. An upgrade to the Pixel 6a, Google's Pixel 7a is essentially a flagship device without the premium price. The design is nearly identical to the more expensive Pixel 7, and it comes equipped with Google's powerful Tensor G2 processor and 8 GB of RAM, so it can handle whatever you throw at it. The 6.1-inch display features a resolution of 1080p and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Meanwhile, you get a dual camera setup with a 64MP primary camera capable of producing incredible results, as exhibited in our full review. The secondary 13MP ultra-wide camera is an excellent option for taking landscape shots. The device also features a fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, and wireless charging. While the Pixel 7a isn't exactly a budget phone, we highly recommend it if you can swing the higher cost. Pros. Flagship-level performance. Fantastic camera. Beautiful OLED display. Cons. Finicky fingerprint scanner. Number 4. Google Pixel 6a. Despite its age, the Google Pixel 6a provides the best balance between performance and affordability. The device features a powerful Tensor chip, a custom piece of silicon designed by Google. The processor enables advanced AI and machine learning features, providing users with an unmatched camera experience in this price range. The device features a dual camera setup with a 12MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. The Pixel 6a also features a vibrant 6.1-inch OLED display, 6 GB of RAM, and a 4410 mAh battery that Google estimates can last all day, depending on your usage. Pros. Fantastic display. Flagship-level camera. Excellent software support. Cons. Fingerprint sensor can be slow. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. With a 6.6-inch 1080p display, MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip, and 5000 mAh battery, Samsung's A14 5G is a solid option for around $200. The device features a sturdy design that looks like it belongs in the Galaxy S23 family. Meanwhile, it offers 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with a microSD card slot for expansion, something that's becoming rare these days. It has a 50MP primary camera, which takes decent pictures and can work on all US carriers, including Verizon. Samsung is also promising security patches until early 2027, ensuring the device stays protected from malware for several more years. Pros: big, high-resolution display. Expandable storage. Works on all US carriers. Cons: no IP rating.